Toocki 100W USB-C cable super fast charge 1M 2M 3M Type-C charger cable for Huawei. Toocki 100W USB-C cable super fast charge. A review. The Toocki 100W USB-C cable is a high-quality, durable cable that supports fast charging and data transfer. It is made of aramid fiber and nylon, making it strong and resistant to wear and tear. The cable also features a 24K gold-plated connector, which helps to ensure that it is corrosion-resistant and provides a reliable connection. The Toocki 100W USB-C cable supports a maximum charging speed of 100W, making it ideal for charging laptops, tablets, and other high-power devices. It also supports data transfer speeds of up to 480 megabits per second, making it perfect for transferring large files or streaming videos. The Toocki 100W USB-C cable is available in lengths of 1 meter, 2 meters, and 3 meters, so you can choose the length that best suits your needs. It is also available in a variety of colors, so you can find the one that matches your style. Overall, the Toocki 100W USB-C cable is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, fast-charging cable. It is durable, reliable, and supports a variety of devices. Pros. Asterisk supports fast charging up to 100W. Asterisk supports data transfer speeds of up to 480 megabits per second. Asterisk made of aramid fiber and nylon for durability. Asterisk 24K gold-plated connector for corrosion resistance. Asterisk available in lengths of 1 meter, 2 meters, and 3 meters. Asterisk available in a variety of colors. Cons. Asterisk none. Rating: 5 out of 5 stars.